So what did we study in the last class? Is we studied about this table. Remember, we studied about the auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs, they can differ from the noun, place, number, and tense. ஒரு எழுவாய் பெயர்ச்சொல் இடம், அதாவது இடம் காலம் என்று சொல்ற இலக்கணத்துல இருக்கிற மாதிரி, whether it's a first person, second person, third personங்கிறத பொறுத்து, and then the numbers, singular or plural, இதை பொறுத்து present continuous tenseல auxiliary verbங்கிறது மாறுபடும் பார்த்தோம். Right? So we talked about this, and I hope you have copied all of this in your exercise books. Then we used a little bit of exercise. We tried to say which auxiliary verb will come with which noun. And then now that's it from the last session. So I think you have something written down. I hope you have written down something. If you have something ready, can you raise your hands up and we can practice?
I have written 3 examples for each one,
Okay.
but I tell 1 example for each one.
Okay, that's a good idea. And speak a little bit louder or get your phone a little bit closer. I need to hear you. Okay, start, please.
I am drawing. He is eating. She is breaking. It is having. They are going. We are blocking. You are applying.
You are
Applying.
applying.
He is running very fast. She is eating lunch. It is playing with me. You are studying English. I am reading books. They are speaking in English. You are writing a story. We are cleaning our home.
I am smiling. He is slumping. She is clapping. We are lifting. You are sleeping. They are whispering. It is flying.
He is working, she is cooking, it is barking, it is running. I am studying for my exam. I am learning English. They are playing football. You are living in London. We are watching TV. We are going to school.
I am going to school. We are playing cricket. You are reading storybook. They are eating dinner. He is singing a song. She is dancing. It is playing.
Now, when you say a few things, I observed a few differences in the pronunciation. Okay, உச்சரிப்புல சில வித்தியாசங்கள் இருந்தது பார்த்தேன். Say for example, this word is apply, applying. Apply இல்ல, a sound வராது. It's not a, it's apply, applying. Then this one is English. கடைசியில முடிகிறது ish என்ற சவுண்ட்ல முடியும். It has to be very clear. Ish. Okay. English இல்ல. English. Okay. Next one is clap. A sound. Okay. Clap. Clapping. This one is fly. Flying. This is run. But you say it running. You don't say running. You say running. This one is study. So this is studying. This is watch. And then watching. So when you say something, make sure the subject is very clearly separated from the auxiliary verb. Like I am. She is. I am studying. She is running. Don't say these two words closer. Don't say these two words together. இப்போதைக்கு ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்து ஒன்றா சொல்லுவாங்க. I am என்று சொல்ல வேணாம். She is என்று சொல்ல வேணாம். Just make clear distinction between these two words. Okay, subject and the auxiliary verb. Please leave enough space and please pronounce them very clearly so that you can practice. The pronunciation will become very clear. So you have to say it. She is running and she is running and washing it. She is running and she is say this for now. Okay. Later on, when you are very fluent, when you are very clear about your pronunciation, then you can say everything together. That will be good. Okay. Now, next one. I'll give you a link for a video on YouTube. This is a 7-minute video. You have to watch this video. This is about daily routines. Routines means something that we do on a daily basis, right? So don't watch the video yet. Watch it at home. I'm going to give you some more exercises today. So you have to watch this. This is from a channel called Bob the Canadian. I was looking for some videos and this one was a very good video. So please go and watch this video. This is about daily routines. Now, let's have a look at some other things, right? These are statements. Statements in the Tamil கூற்றுக்கள் என்று சொல்லலாம். Please look at them very carefully. Right. So these are statements. I am learning English now. She is cooking dinner at the moment. They are playing football right now. We are studying for our exams today. He is working on a new project currently. The children are playing in the park at this time. The sun is shining right now. The birds are singing at the moment. The leaves are falling from the trees now. The flowers are blooming this season. Okay, நான் இப்ப திருப்பி வாசிக்க போறேன். When I read, you repeat after me. Okay, நான் ஒரு வசனத்தை வாசிச்சுட்டு இடைவெளி விடுவேன். You have to say it, repeat after me. Don't switch on your mic. Mic on பண்ண வேணாம், but repeat after me. Okay, ready? I am learning English now. She is cooking dinner at the moment. They are playing football right now. We are studying for our exams today. He is working on a new project currently. The children are playing in the park at this time. The sun is shining right now. The birds are singing at the moment. The leaves are falling from the trees now. The flowers are blooming this season. Okay, good. I think you got the pronunciation and you got the sentences. So these are some of the statements. Okay, they are all in present continuous tense. You look at it very carefully. All the verbs are ending with ing. எல்லா வினைச்சொற்களும் ing ல முடியுது. So you can understand it's present continuous. Now, if we go to look at the sentence structure, you can see if we say a statement, we say I am eating. There's an auxiliary verb and there's a verb with ing. This is the format or this is the structure of present continuous tense. If you want to make a question out of it, you take the auxiliary verb out and put it in front of the subject. The auxiliary verb then it becomes a question. It's very easy. Okay? In English, making a question from a statement is very easy. ஒரு கேள்வி உருவாக்குறது, ஒரு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இருந்து கூற்றுல இருந்து ஒரு வினா உருவாக்குறது என்றால் ஆங்கிலத்தில் மிகவும் இலகு. I am eating, நான் சாப்பிட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறேன். Am I eating? நான் சாப்பிட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறேனா? தமிழ்ல. Okay, so it's very easy. I am eating. Am I eating? The same way, if you want to make a negative statement, அதாவது ஒரு எதிர் கருத்துள்ள கூற்று சொல்ல விரும்பினா, அல்லது மறையான கருத்துள்ள கூற்று சொல்ல விரும்பினா, same thing. I am eating and இருக்கிறதுல you have to locate the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb எங்க இருக்குன்றதை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். This is the auxiliary verb, am. So negative ஆக்குறோம் சொன்னா I am not eating. So இந்த நொட்ங்கிறது ஈட்டிங் ஓட சேர்ந்து வராது, am ஓட சேர்ந்து வரும். So this is am not. I am not eating. Right? Another sentence, another statement. Say I am eating an egg. It's the same basic sentence, but now with some extra fitting. Okay. I am eating an egg. If you want to make a question, am I eating an egg? மிச்சம் அப்படியே வருது பாருங்க. இந்த am இந்த இடம் மட்டும் தான் மாறி இருக்கு. The rest of the sentence follows. மிச்சம் அப்படியே வருது. If you want to make a negative out of the same sentence, I am eating an egg. If you want to make a negative, you add not. Notங்கிறது சேர்க்கிறீங்க. எங்க சேர்ப்பீங்கன்னா you have to add it next to the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb பக்கத்துல தான் அது சேர்ப்பீங்க. Okay. I am not eating an egg. The same way, if the sentence is a little bit longer, I have added another word. Say, I am eating an egg now. Am I eating an egg now? That's the question. Okay, so the only difference is you take the auxiliary verb out and put it in front of the subject. If you want to make a negative out of the longer sentence, then you locate the auxiliary verb. Then auxiliary verb. Here it is. Then you put not. Not next to the auxiliary verb. I am not eating an egg now. Okay. So this is how you make a question, and this is how you make a negative statement in present continuous tense. So did everyone understand everything I said until now? Please give a thumbs up if you understood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think everybody understood. It's very interesting. You all understood the first time. It's very interesting. Usually people take a little bit of time to understand this, but now if you understand first time, I'm very happy. Okay. Now, there are some questions. Okay. I will read the questions. You listen to it very carefully. What are you doing now? Is she studying at the moment? Sorry, my English. Sometimes I say the mari solli palaitan. I'm sorry. Number 3, are they watching a movie right now? What are we having for dinner today? Is he working from home currently? Where are the children playing at this time? Is the sun shining right now? Are the birds singing at the moment? Are the leaves falling from the trees now? Are the flowers blooming this season?